Our Earth's climate is an enormously complex creature. There are two things going on. There are natural cycles that we're part of. On top of that, we know that human activities are also speeding up the changing in our Earth's climate.
This is not some slow burning thing. This is happening very quickly, and we need to develop ways of dealing with it. We argue that one of the ways to deal with it, importantly, is locally.
And that's what really the decision theater is all about. This is about bringing stakeholders together. This is about bringing engineers and community practitioners together with local folks, with local farmers, with local residents that actually live and work in these places, and trying to make a decision together collectively about how they're going to prepare their communities for these problems. The decision theater also lets us project up on the walls maps. It lets us project climate forecasts onto the walls. It lets us put something like Google Earth onto the walls so we can actually fly into a community while we're talking about it and looking at a map and looking at some numbers and a climate forecast, and we can slowly put all these things together to package potential futures.
They often change their attitude to certain aspects of things. Showing visualizations of things like sea level rise or snowpack reduction or the spread of forest fires near communities is sometimes very new to people. They hadn't realized what the risks were, and equally they haven't necessarily fully understood what their options are.
The university provides us with a tremendous amount of support, infrastructure, and funds. There's no other place, anywhere that I've ever been, that has so many facilities so openly accessible to use immediately.
They tell us things like, this was empowering, this was very interesting. The visualizations really stay in people's minds. People can remember them from years ago, and they stick in people's heads and help sort of shift how they think about climate change, and maybe a little bit how they vote on policies or even change behavior.
It's about making informed decisions. It's about actually prompting action. It's about accelerating sustainability. We hope that people can come into this room with ideas and intentions and leave the room knowing that they've actually taken steps towards real change on the ground.